Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be creating a card using some dies from Poppystamps. So these are the dies that I'm going to be using, which is the double-stitched rectangle frames, the eyelet stitches, the Whittle Cupcake, and Doodle Happy Birthday. So a lot of these I already cut out, but to show you, I'm going to start with a pink card base. And then I cut out a piece of craft cardstock just slightly smaller to fit on the card base, like so. And then with the double stitch rectangle frame, I cut out, this is the largest frame right here, which I'll be putting on. It's a slightly smaller than my craft piece, like so. And then I also cut out a white piece that fits underneath, like so. And then with the cupcakes, I cut out the frosting all in pink. And then 3 also of the, what do you call that? The cupcake base, the bottom of the cupcake. So I'm going to take, these are Memento markers. This one is Rosebud. I'm just going to go over the little lines that are in the die cut, and then I'm also just going to go around the outside of each one, and I'm going to do the same on the base but using a brown marker. Oops. And the brown one I'm going to be using is Rich Cocoa. Once I do that, then I'm just going to go right along the outside, just giving it a little bit of highlights. I'm going to do this to each one. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little bit of glue. Any kind of glue that dries clear will work for this. I'm just going to use a skewer because this works best for me. And just on the top of each one of the cupcakes, or the frosting of the cupcake, just going to dab some on there. It doesn't need to be super thick. As long as it's on there will be good enough. And then taking some kind of a glitter. This one is, I guess it's crystals is what it's called. And I'm just going to pour it on to each one of those. And you can use a finger to do this, but I don't want to get the glitter all over me, so I'm going to use the bottom of the little bottle here to push the glitter into the glue. So that's what it looks like. So I'm going to clean off the glitter on each one and then set these aside and let them dry. Okay, so next, using the littlest eyelet stitch, which is this one right here, I used right there on the bottom of a pink strip. And then I'm going to cut this down so it's much thinner. So like that. And then taking my Xyron sticker maker, I'm going to just run it through and then at the top of each one of the cupcakes, bottom of the cupcakes, I'm going to adhere it on just like that. And just taking a pair of scissors and cutting it off, the extra. There you go. So it'll look like that. Okay, so also on another pink piece of paper, another dark pink, I used the biggest eyelet on the bottom, like that. And now I'm going to start assembling my card together. there we go. I added a sentiment in the craft cardstock, also added some bling on there, and then my card was completed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you liked my video, please hit the like button. See you next time. Bye-bye.